So I just picked up this 2012 koala camper. I'm gonna clean it before I winterize it, and I just want to show you how the best way to clean this. Just get a regular degreaser. I'm gonna go around and spray everything, and I got a pressure washer. I'm gonna pressure wash everything after I'm done spraying. Then I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna put a quick coat of wax on it, just spray on wax, and hopefully we get a good result at the end. So before I start pressure washing, I just want to talk about the nozzle tip sizes on the pressure washer. You don't want to use the straight stream. You want a like a 40-degree tip. This will help so you don't get lines when you're pressure washing. It's recommended for car use, RV use. Usually most at Lowe's, Home Depot, you can buy a kit of these for $10-15, and you're gonna want one that is more of a fog pattern, and the finished product will look a lot better. Also, when you're pressure washing, make sure you don't get too close. Especially if you got an older camper, stay away from the stickers, lights, because you'll end up peeling those back, and it will look worse off. So right now, while I let the camper dry after I just got done washing it, before I wax it, right, I'm just going to go around in silicone and caulk, pretty much all the lights, the vents, everything. May go through probably 2 tubings of these, but that will allow the camper to dry. So I just got some quick wax here. This is going to help protect it from the sun rays when I store it over winter. Just spray it on, wipe it off. This will give it a good little shine. It won't last as long as the paste stuff, but it will give it some protection until next spring. So I just finished up washing the camper here. I pressure washed it, degreased it, then I went around, I caulked everything, I washed it, then I put a coat of liquid wax on it. It came out great. Hopefully you guys can tell in the camera. Overall, it took a little over 2.5 hours, so that will help protect it over this winter and be ready to go in the springtime. So if you guys like watching that video or found it helpful, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.